The Taos hum is a low-frequency sound that has been reported by some people in Taos since the early 1990s. What makes it so mysterious is that only a small percentage of the population can hear it, and its origin has never been identified. Scientists and researchers have proposed various theories to explain the sound. Some believe it might be caused by natural processes underground, while others think it could be linked to industrial activities. There's even speculation that electromagnetic waves might be responsible. However, none of these theories have been able to definitively explain the phenomenon. What's even more interesting is that similar hums have been reported in other parts of the world, including Canada, Australia, and some regions of Europe. Despite these reports, the source of the hum remains a mystery.